Welcome to Ogbaski TV channel. Ogbaski TV channel is all about the everyday event in our society, both within Africa and Africans in diaspora. The world is full of ups and downs, but this channel brings out the best to heal depression and frustration. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to press the notification bell to receive fresh and new videos as they drop.
But don't fight people. If I were you, do you know what I'll do? All those people that you believe has offended you, all those people that you believe that has hurt you, tó bá jẹ́ èmi, I'll just let go of them, and I will just move on from it and allow it to slide. But there's one person that you owe an apology. One person. Tó jẹ́ pé Ọlọ́run dìídì rán ẹni yẹn níṣẹ́. I kept saying it, but you didn't allow the person to do their job. Ọlọ́run dìídì rán ẹni yẹn níṣẹ́. Tó bá jẹ́ mi lẹ́yìn, I will apologize from the bottom of my heart. Tí mo dẹ̀ máa mean it to that person, and even maybe if it's possible, ask God for forgiveness. You don't need to title that person's name. You don't need to just say, tell me about something, believe me. Just say, aláàánú tọ́lọ́run rán sí mi, tí mi jẹ́ kó parí iṣẹ́. Ẹ wá ṣàdúrà fún ẹni yẹn. And then you will now see what God will do in your life. Aláàánú tọ́lọ́run tó rán sí mi, tí mi jẹ́ kó parí iṣẹ́, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ẹ wá ṣàdúrà fún ẹni yẹn. Because ó lè jẹ́ ẹlẹ́dàá ẹni yẹn. Ó lè jẹ́ ẹlẹ́dàá ẹni yẹn kó jẹ́ pé ẹlẹ́dàá ẹ̀gàn bóyá ó ń bínú torí wípé kíni, it's not easy to make money. And when we make money and the only thing we get back is people that are, I'm not saying you are ungrateful, but people that are ungrateful or that pays us back with evil, ó máa ń dùn ènìyàn nínú, ó máa dùn ènìyàn nínú tó jẹ́ pé ẹlẹ́dàá ènìyàn gan lè má fẹ́ forgive ẹnìyẹn. Do you understand? Ẹlẹ́dàá ènìyàn gan lè má fẹ́ forgive ẹnìyẹn. So if you beg that person and you ask for forgiveness and you ask God to forgive you, and make sure you mean it from the bottom of your heart. Kẹ́ wá ṣàdúrà fún wọn, tẹ́ ṣe máa ṣàdúrà, kẹ́ ka Bible. You will see what God will do in your life. Seriously. That $500 I just gave you, èmi fẹ́ fi ra gold ní month, irú gold yẹn ti mo dé pàtó sẹ́gbẹ̀. Kí ni, what's the point of èmi ò ráyè òṣì òun. Wọ́n ní ẹni tí ìwọ bá lè ṣe ìrànlọ́wọ́. Ìyẹn ò mí ni pé Autobola ò lè fún mi lẹ́gbàá lọ́la. You know how Facebook goes. Tá bá máa ro gbogbo ilé táwọn Odosians tó ń dá mọ́ sí, á ti lé ní $1,500. Wọ́n láwọn kan dá níbi, I'm sure you have enough that you need now. but just take it easy and ask for forgiveness. That's the most important thing. I have always told you, nobody, nobody. Mo máa ń sọ fún yín all the time. Tó bá pé ènìyàn kan rán èmi níṣẹ́ or wọ́n rán mi níṣẹ́ òṣì, I won't do what I'm doing this morning. The way I operate láti ọpọlọ mi, látorí mi. People don't push me around and boss me around or tell me no. I do things in a way tó jẹ́ pé mo máa mọ̀ pé mò ń ṣe láti ọkàn ara mi ni. And àwọn nǹkan míì wà tó jẹ́ pé ènìyàn máa ṣe nítorí ọmọ. So please, free your mind, free your soul, let a lot of things go. The Halifax account is not going through with that beneficiary name. It's Dorcas Adeyinka. Did I not put the name there? Hold on. Good morning, ma. The Halifax account is Dorcas Adeyinka. I thought I put the name there. I thought I put the name there. If there is anything, if there is anything that personally, anytime send it to my business line. If you want to send me a teller, please send it to 079 610 11814. Tẹ́ bá fẹ́ send whatever you're sending to Autobola to me, send it to 079 610 11814. Because orí fóònù tẹ́ send ẹ̀ sí yẹn mi ò lè rí. I can't see it. I'm using that phone for the show. So the person that just sent me something now, send it to the number that ends with 814. Kí ni mò ń sọ lọ? Tẹ́ bá mọ̀ pé anything tó bá wà ní káwọ́ yín for the person you're having dispute with, if you know that you still have it, give it back. Maybe in form of a car, money, I don't know. Where you want to get such money from, I don't know. But in form of a car, if you know that there is anything, thank you very much, Mommy Onodeko. God bless you. Your rent might be paid this month. What about next month? What about the month after that? And the one after that? Thank you, Mommy Onodeko. God bless you, ma. Mommy Onodeko sent you £50. What about the other month? Or the other months? What about January? What about February? What about March, April, May? Thank you, ma. Another person just sent you $50. Thank you. What about the other month? Irú ẹni tí wọ́n kó irú adúrú owó yẹn sílẹ̀. How do you think she will feel? Even me that I'm doing this, let me tell you something. I will tell you what I will tell you in a minute. Hello, ma. Hello, ma. Benny. Okay, let me put this.
Marie, what is 500 to me? Thank you so much. God bless you. I'm grateful.
Sherry, I want the other one. That way you send the senior as well.
Okay, General.
I want you to send the in a lot. You should get the alert on your paper.
Because God bless you.
The money they sent you is over $1,500.
No. That's good. We'll leave it pay. I'm so grateful. God bless you. I'll check it now. I'll call you back. Mommy, everybody talk for me. Lowo live chat. Lori Dorcas platform. God bless you.
Do you think I can call you after this show and just talk to you about something?
You can call me. No problem, darling.
Sure.
Why? If you want to talk, you want to say it loud or in the public, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
There's no secret.
Okay.
If you want to tell me also something now, you can say it. There's not a problem.
Okay. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n sọ níbí so that kò ní dàbí ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀yìn. Sherry, ẹ jẹ́ kí n sọ nǹkan fún yín mà. Sherry, wọn kì í plant èmi sí ènìyàn. Wọn kì í rán mi níṣẹ́ aburú sí ènìyàn. The last time I had a show, mo sọ nǹkan kan fún yín, mo ní èèyàn kankan ò ever rán mi ní kankan sí yín rí. Ọlọ́run má dẹ̀ jẹ́ kí no ẹ máa gbọ́ Mọ́mí Autobola ẹ máa gbọ́. Sherry, mo sọ nínú show yẹn, mo ní Ọlọ́run ti rán ẹni tó yẹ kó change gbogbo nǹkan padà fún yín wàláì tàláì. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ̀yin lẹ allow ẹni yẹn láti rán iṣẹ́ tọ́lọ́run rán wọn, ẹ jẹ́ kán parí ẹ̀. Ẹ máa gbọ́ mà. Ẹ máa gbọ́. Sherry, mi ò lè parọ́ fún yín. Okay. Ẹ̀yin àtèèyàn ẹ jọ ní deal. Don't be scared of me or anything. We are on live chat.
I'm not scared. We are on live chat. I love that.
Yes. Sherry,
I put it on block gbogbo account Sha.
Ẹ máa
I will
gbọ́.
share it now.
Ẹ máa gbọ́ mà. Sherry, nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin ẹ̀yin àti ẹni yẹn is just a very very small misunderstanding. Ẹni yìí wọ́n gbé ọmọ lọ sí hospital ṣó ń yé yín. Ìgbà tẹ́yin send the message. Mi ò tiẹ̀ fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ dárúkọ. Mi ò fẹ́ wàhálà fún yín. Ẹ máa gbọ́. Sherry, ìgbà tọ́mọ yẹn wà lọ hospital ṣó ń yé yín báyìí. Ó lẹ́yìn send the messages tẹ́yin send yẹn. Àwọn ò rí. Wọ́n rí. Tó bá pẹ́ kàn wá ní sùúrù kẹ́ ní sùúrù ẹ wò nǹkan tẹ́mi máa láìkì kẹ́ ṣe show ṣe rí wọ́n bá sọ pé ènìyàn ní inú re ìyá yẹn nínú re sí yín Ọlọ́run Jésù Kristi.
kí ni kí n ṣe ní show
ẹ bẹ̀ wọ́n èmi ò ní kẹ́ dárúkọ wọn ẹ má ṣépè fún ìyá yẹn mọ́ wàláì kò ń ṣe ní ìpè.
mi ì ṣépè fún wọn.
ẹ bẹ̀ wọ́n mọ́mí Autobola.
níbo ni mo ti ṣépè mi ò ṣépè fún wọn rí o.
ṣé ẹ mọ̀ pé ẹ máa ń ṣépè mi máa ń wò yín lẹ́ǹkọ̀ọ̀kan ẹ máa ń ṣépè yín directly ìpè gbogbo ẹni tó.
wọ́n tó mọ̀ mí ni mo ti ṣépè o.
ẹ má ṣépè mọ́ mọ́mí Autobola ẹ má ṣépè mọ́ ṣe rí this particular person in particular okay ẹ jẹ́ kí n tún fún yín ní example kan okay now ẹ wo gbogbo àwọn experience tẹ máa ń share fún wa lórí Facebook live chat ẹ sọ pé àwọn ènìyàn ti ṣẹ̀yìn and all of that okay ẹ wo orú ìyá ìsìn àwọn ẹ wá wo okay ẹjọ ṣe business and everything kíní yẹn kò ṣe dáadáa in a way àwọn ti lose owó tó pọ̀ ẹ wo bí irú inú títí wọn bó ṣe máa rí wípé pẹ̀lú gbogbo ohun tí mo ṣe mo dẹ̀ tún wá lose owó tó pọ̀ tó báyìí mo dẹ̀ tún wá ń get blame nǹkan tó ṣe tó báyìí ẹ kàn misunderstand kíní yẹn ni ṣé ẹ mọ̀ pé ó máa dùn yan gan ṣé rí bó ṣe ń dùn ẹ̀yin yẹn bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ló ṣe máa dùn àwọn náà pé mi ò dẹ̀ ní bá mo fọ́lọ́run ṣẹlẹ́rìí arábìnrin ìyá yìí wọn ò ní bad intention fún yín Ọlọ́run Jésù Kristi Ọlọ́run Jésù Kristi.
owó tí mo rí pẹ̀lú owó ìtòsẹ́ndì yẹn 200 owó tí mo rí níbi bá how much is it? I mean 700 àti 500 yẹn mo rí.
ẹ rí $700 in dollars.
$796 and 500 tó dà pé àbí this one is another. Okay 700 yẹn nìkan náà ni mo rí.
Okay I think àwọn kan send the dollars direct but wọ́n send the Zelle sí yín of about bóyá bíi $700 in United States dollars.
Ní Zelle.
No kò ń ṣẹ̀yìn lẹ́ni Zelle èmi bá yín fi Zelle yẹn gba owó yẹn ni. So tí ẹni tó ní Zelle yẹn bá ti jí is around in total I think you have around $700. So ma send the $700 yẹn tó bá ti convert ẹ̀ sí pounds ma wá forward ẹ̀ sí yín. ẹ rí i pé last time tí mo ṣe show mo sọ fún yín mo ní tẹ́ ẹ bá lè kàn tiẹ̀ ṣe mọ̀ pé téèyàn bá ṣẹlẹ́dẹ̀ ènìyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ yín ṣe fi pé àwọn èèyàn kan ṣẹlẹ́dà yín sìn téèyàn bá ṣẹlẹ́dẹ̀ ènìyàn ẹlẹ́dẹ̀ ni ẹ̀gán lè máa jà fún ènìyàn téèyàn ò ní mọ̀. ẹni yìí wọ́n ti náwó wọ́n ti nára owó wọn tún wá sọnù gbogbo tẹ́ bá ní anything mò ń bẹ̀yìn tó bá jẹ́ ti màmá yẹn tó bá yẹ pé tẹ́ ṣì mọ̀ pé ó ṣì wà ńlẹ̀ ẹ fún wọn ẹ dá padà ẹ bẹ̀ wọ́n ẹ let it go you will see what God will do in your life.
Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.